welcome back to this channel. My name is Doris Kimuyu, and if this is your first time to be here, if you have already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. So I'm really sorry, it has been quite long since I posted on this channel. I think this year, my subscribers, please forgive me. I've really not been active on YouTube, but I just remembered something. So today it's on 7th November 2025, and I remembered last year, a time like this, 2024, I did a hair growth challenge for 3 months. It was from the month of October, November, and December. So let me put this video over here. You get to see how my hair was back then last year. A video that I did November last year, and another one that I did this year. So have a look on this video and see the difference for yourself. So you can see the two videos, one for last year November and the current video. So look and be the judge and see how much my hair has grown so far. Okay, you have now seen the video and that's my current hair length. I'm so grateful to God. So what will I be doing from today? I've said right now, as I'm filming this video, today it's on 7th November 2025, and I will do this challenge up to December of this year. And as you can see, my braids are freshly made. So by December, I'll be able to know the amount of growth that I have gained. So what will I be doing? I will keep my hair on a protective style. As you can see, these are mini braids. I will keep my hair on mini braids for those, let's say, just 2 months. And what will I be using? So the first thing that I'll be using is this. This is my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. This is what I'll be applying. And the next thing that I'll be applying is this. This is my secret herbal spray. For now, I will keep it secret because I'm trying to see the results that it's going to give me. So this is a mixture of certain herbs, and I want to see the difference that it's going to give me. So these are the only 2 things that I will be using for those 2 months. My hair growth oil and this herbal spray. So this is what I'll be doing. The first thing is I'll be spraying my hair and scalp with this herbal spray. I will ensure that I keep my hair moisturized, and every day or every other day I'll be doing a video to show you what I will be doing. So I will try my best to be very much transparent. Okay, sorry. So this is the first time I'm using this herbal spray. That's why for now, please forgive me, I'm keeping it as a secret herbal spray until I see the results. So now when I see the results, I will tell you guys. So The next thing is to apply this Ayurvedic oil. I really love this oil. It's my oil. I'm grateful to God. So the oil is a mixture of several herbs, Ayurvedic herbs for that matter. And so guys, in these 2 months, you will be able to see, and I will be able to see, the amount of growth that I will have gained. My braids don't look that neat, but it's okay. Ooh. Ooh. So now let me massage. So I'm going to massage gently. The next thing that I'm going to do is to apply the oil to the rest of my hair. So for those 2 months, month of November and December, that's what I will be doing on my hair. And then we will see the amount of growth that I will gain. Yeah, so basically that is what I will be doing for those 2 months. And one thing that I keep telling you people is that your natural hair is always growing. And that little growth that you get every month, it is what you are supposed to retain. So for me, I want to see the amount of growth that I will get in those 2 months. Is it 2 months? Let's say 1 month and almost 2 months, 1 month and some days, because today it's on 7th of November. So almost 2 months. So let's see for those 2 months the amount of growth that I will get. So